Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So yeah, I'm just trying to like hype myself up because the darnest thing happened to me earlier. Girl, if this is your first time on my channel, like please subscribe, hit that like button, leave me a comment. But yeah guys, earlier I really was out here trying to clip my ends by myself and I messed my hair up. If you've been watching me, you know the length of my hair. So when I do this style, you're gonna see that I really chop my hair up and my hair is so short right now. I don't know. I really done did it, guys. I really did it. I look like Angelica's doll from Rugrats. That's what my hair is reminding me of right now. It's so uneven and it's so weird. But anyways, guys, today's video is going to be a ponytail. Like I saved myself because I woke up, I was in my feelings about my hair and I'm just like, let me do something to it because this trim that I gave myself really did me dirty. So I decided to do this little ponytail. I wanted it to be like, a little extra, a little bit cute. So I added just two simple braids on the sides. If you can't braid, you can definitely just do like a little flat twist, or you could actually do like a rubber band kind of braid and like connect the hair, if that makes sense. Just like part little squares and connect it into one so it'll be like a braid. And that's what I'm doing on both sides. Like this ponytail, guys, is super simple, super easy. I just wanted something to rock with so my hair would look cute in the interim while I figure out like what's really going on with my hair. So yeah, after completing these braids, the two braids, I will proceed to put my hair in a ponytail. And let me tell you, girl, I wanted to try some gel. I don't use gel because gel does not work on my hair. It makes my hair super curly, super crinkly. It doesn't get it to that look. But because a ponytail that I was going to be using today, the drawstring, it has like a wavy texture, so I'm like, let me add this gel. It'll do me right, girl. Because my ends were so blunt, wow, because my ends were so blunt and so choppy, the gel just made it like crinkle up and my hair was just not cooperating in this ponytail. I don't know. It's so crazy how I went past this like really short hair phase and I kind of trimmed my ends and put me back in a spot. But yeah guys, I'm really over here like contemplating my whole life. I feel like I'm going to just trim my hair and maybe do a big chop or just like trim it even. I don't know, because my hair is just like really jaggedy and it's just like low-key like stressing me out and I don't like that. But yeah, I'm using the gel and as I thought, it's going to make my hair really crinkly. I still proceeded even though I saw that it was waving up. And when I realized that my hair was not like going in like how I wanted it to, I went and I used some edge control. Even though I feel like it was too late to add the edge control to the back, it was still so wavy. The edge control did not make it like very smooth or sleek. But yeah, if you don't mind waves in your hair, you can use gel. I don't necessarily like when my hair is like that wavy and not like sticking. So yeah, that's what it was looking like. And then I just went in and I used this edge control from Hair Paint Wax. I've used this before. Can I talk today? I've used this before. This is like their twisted edges, and I've used that before, and I'm just using that for the back of the ponytail. So guys, today's video is in collaboration with Betterlength, and I'm gonna get to that real quick. Well, real soon. Let me just finish getting this hair together. And for the front, I noticed that the gel was doing me dirty, especially in the back. So I used mostly edge control on the front, and it actually came together. The front was smooth, the back was not smooth. Y'all know I'm the queen of sleek ponytails. But today, honey, I was serving you waves, but it's okay because the front was really smooth. So I'm gonna just like, let this one slide. And guys, do you see my hair at the top? Like, oh my God, I really messed my hair up. My hair is so choppy and it's so uneven and weird. I have a little tooth, a little poof. I don't even know what that I got compared to what I had before. So yeah, your girl might just show up on here with like a big chop. I don't know. We'll see. So I did my edges and this is a hair. I'm going to just like tie it down and just let it like set, and then we're going to proceed with the ponytail. And I'm using my Wrap It styling strips, which is pretty bomb, pretty good. Y'all already know once I'm doing a ponytail or any kind of style, I like to put these on the hair because it helps with like the flyaways, the frizz, and it makes everything just pretty smooth and nice. So after we're finished like cocooning the hair, I'm gonna just do my makeup off camera. And guys, to top it off, my nose was just like acting up today. I don't know. A lot of things was acting up, but y'all already know I'm not gonna let that stop me. I just like push through it. So yeah, guys, today's video is in collaboration with Betterlength, and this is their Drawstring Ponytail. It's their 3C48 Afro Kinky Curly. It's 16 inches in length, and this is in the natural color. This is 100% virgin hair. Guys, this ponytail is like a year old. If you go back on my channel, which I'll insert the link for the video somewhere on here, you'll see that they sent me this hair over a year ago, like literally, and it's still going strong. I wear this hair from time to time. I definitely once I want to like rewear it, I just like condition it and then just add some curling product, which I did, and the hair is like brand new again. This hair is literally an investment. When they say that it's 100% like a virgin hair, they weren't lying. It'll last. Like it lasts better than just getting like a synthetic ponytail. Like how many of those would you actually buy? This hair has lasted me over a year, and I can still wash it and reuse it, and it still looks brand new and so good. So guys, I'm adding like some decorations to my hair, and guys, the edge control and the gel, and I sprayed like some freeze spray on the back. It gave me like a little like white, but once you use the oil sheen spray over your hair, all the whiteness or whatever goes away. So my hair is pretty fine. There was no like white spots when I was done, and I'm just using these little hair jewels at the side to give my hair a little razzle dazzle. And I'm going in with the drawstring, and guys, this is 16 inches. Hopefully I said that before, and it has two like clips on the inside and the drawstring. Guys, be careful how you place these combs, because honey, you'll have like a mad headache, because today I wrapped my hair so tight I kind of gave myself a headache. But yeah, guys, I'm just adjusting the drawstring, and then I'm going to take a piece of the hair and wrap around so I get a really nice base. It looks just like more uniform and just like more finished versus not having anything at the base. So that's what I'm doing. Then I'm gonna get me some bobby pins, and I'm going to put that in the hair. And yeah, this is what the hair is looking like. Ideally, when I did my hair, I just wanted to do a bun, but guys, once I put the hair on, it just falls so effortlessly on the side. It's so cute. I love it on the side. This is like the original style that I did when I just got this ponytail, but without like the braids. But yeah, this is what it's looking like. And then you can flip it on the other side. How cool is that? If you don't like your hair on one side, flip it to the other side. It's very versatile. And then you can also wear it in the middle. Like, this style is so cute, and I love the little braids, the little peekaboo kind of moment when you like flash your hair. You see the little braids and the jewelry. I think it's so cute. Let me know down below, guys, like your thoughts. Do you like this hair? I have to tell you personally, this hair is worth it. It is worth the coins, sis. You're gonna have this for a year and more, because it's been a year and counting, and it still looks good. It takes so well to like curly hair products. It takes so well to just like conditioner and everything. So yeah, it's basically like an extension of your hair. And if your hair is like short and you want like a nice like puff, or you know, that kind of vibe, you could definitely just get one of these, like fake it till you make it, sis. And right now, with how I messed my hair up, I'm definitely going to be rocking this drawstring for a while. So yeah, this is the look, and I'm going ahead now to do a little bun, a messy bun. So because it's a longer length, I just add this hair tie halfway up, so I'll give it some height, and then I just put the hair over and just, you know, wrap it and add bobby pins until I get this messy bun, which is really cute. Anyways, guys, I really hope y'all enjoyed this video. Please leave me a like, please leave me a comment, and yeah, your girl did some things to her natural hair, but I'm still out here finessing it. If you're interested in this hair, all the links will be in the description box down below. I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Sound off in the comments, and yeah, I'll catch you in my next one. Let me know which style was your favorite. Bye, guys.